Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, the 14th of November, 2018. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In regular math, we had a Unit 3 mixed review, pages 229 and 230. Remember, you're responsible for problems 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9, and 13. The majority of those problems are going to be ratio-based, but since it is a mixed review, they're going to have some other different types of problems that we have done before. Remember, with the ratios, words first. Honors, there is no homework. In science, we have no homework because we had a test today, so hopefully everyone did well. In honors science, you're doing lesson review, page 469, numbers 1 through 4 and 7 through 9. In social studies, we have an assignment called Mesopotamian Math. This is a worksheet. You need to make sure that you are using the information on the back side of the sheet that shows what the numbers look like in Mesopotamian Math, and then you're using that on the front side of the worksheet. Make sure you're looking at the different symbols to know if you are adding, subtracting, or multiplying. In language arts, you need to study for your writing process test. That is tomorrow. Also, just a reminder, your flip notes are due tomorrow. I know this was not mentioned in the morning classes for Mrs. Murray, but this is on here, so please make sure that we take note of that. And in literature, there is no homework. Tomorrow for the FCCLA Spirit Week is Pajama Day. All right, you're not allowed to wear slippers. If you want to participate in Pajama Day, you need to pay $1 to your first period teacher, and your hand will be marked with a marker. That's it for this Wednesday. Have a good one.